Hello kids, how are you? In this video, you'll learn about the colors and read and write the capital and small alphabets. Are you ready with me? Okay. Yellow color, red color, white color, blue color, light green color, brown color, orange color, black color, green color, purple color. Let's start the alphabets. Orange color. A. A is for apple. A. A is for
Apple.
B. B is for ball. B is for
Ball.
C. C is for cat. C is for
Cat.
D. D is for dog. D is for
Dog.
green color. E. E is for elephant. E is for
Elephant.
F. F is for flower. F is for
Flower.
G. G is for grapes. G is for
Grapes.
H. H is for house. H is for
House.
light green color. I. I is for iron. I is for
Iron.
J. J is for jug. J is for
Jug.
K. K is for kite. K is for
Kite.
L. L is for line. L is for
Line.
blue color. M. M is for mango. M is for
Mango.
N. N is for nest. N is for
Nest.
O. O is for orange. O is for
Orange.
P. P is for parrot. P is for
Parrot.
Q. Q is for queen. Q is for
Queen.
R. R is for rose. R is for
Rose.
S. S is for sun. S is for
Sun.
T. T is for tiger. T is for
Tiger.
purple color. U. U is for umbrella. U is for
Umbrella.
V. V is for van. V is for
Van.
W. W is for watch. W is for
Watch.
X. X is for X-ray. X is for
X-ray.
brown color. Y. Y is for yarn. Y is for
Yarn.
Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for.
Zebra.
Now repeat the alphabet A to Z. A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
C.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
L.
M,
M.
N,
N.
O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V.
W,
W.
X,
X.
Y,
Y.
Z.
Z.
Now repeat it Z to A. Okay. Z,
Z.
Y,
Y.
X,
X.
W,
W.
V,
V.
U,
U.
T,
T.
S,
S.
R,
R.
Q,
Q.
P,
P.
O,
O.
N,
N.
M,
M.
L,
L.
K,
K.
J,
J.
I,
I.
H,
H.
G,
G.
F,
F.
E,
E.
D,
D.
C,
C.
B,
B.
A.
A.
Okay, kids, thanks a lot and keep watching the Mont World.